Welcome to another tutorial from Infovids. My name is Andrew. Okay, so I don't know if you like cool effects or if you're a pyromaniac, but thanks for clicking on this tutorial because today you're going to be learning about fire. Yes, let it burn. But of course, this effect only applies for text. You can take this project to the next level by setting an icon on fire instead. This is what you're going to be learning. Like what you saw? Keep watching. What I need imported in the media panel. And to make the text, go to the titles tab and drag in the default title. Type in something like flame and put in a font of anything you like. Put in some text space if it's too close to each other. And before we take a snapshot to make a still image, we need to drag in a sample color from the Sample Colors tab. And then take a snapshot. I'm going to rename it and delete the rest. So to put the flame under the text, we have to drag in the flame video and put in a blending mode of lighten or screen. Or even darken or multiply. As you can see, it's giving up the effect already. If you like, you can scale up the text by dragging this slider up. Or even brighten the flame video. And there you have it. There's your first step of the flame text. So the next thing you want to do is drag in the flame overlay. Go to the compositing tab and turn down the opacity. Feel free to add a blend mode if you like linear dodge. Or even brighten it up. And now go to the Elements tab. Search up large scale and drag in something from 12 to 14. Like 13. There's the ember of the flame. Cut the rest off and delete it. Now add in an effect. Put in some mild shake. Then decrease the position X and the frequency to give you that subtle feeling of flame vibes. Play around with some glitch effects like glitch lines. Or even go to the distortion and drag in chromatic aberration. And there you have it, the flame effect. Sorry to break it to you, but we aren't completely done yet. There are a few minor things that we need to change. Like the flame overlay. As you saw in the example, it had some sort of dissolve. and also some color change effects. Dragon sign like Sandra Lomo or September. I'll stick with September. And now to export it, hit the export button right near the tabs and name it whatever you want. Change the resolution, frame rate, size, duration, whatever you think is necessary. Give the format and click export. Thanks for watching and subscribe to keep up to date with our videos, and check out our channel if you're new here. Don't forget to explore the great variety of playlists that we have that range from audio editing, photo editing and video editing. Don't forget to drop this video a like and a comment and share with your family and friends. Happy editing guys! You'll be sure to see me in the next video.